So I've got something pretty cool going on this week. I've got a giveaway. I've never done a giveaway, and I'm trying to come up with an interesting way to give this thing away. And the only thing I could think of was a contest. But this is what I'm giving away, not this motorcycle. I know, I know a few of you were getting your hopes up, but it's actually this device here. Navigation, communication system. But the coolest thing is this thing works great, and it's got several different things that I've never seen before, and now I'm starting to see a few of these things pop out. But it's got tire monitors, and you can see my front pressure is low. That it comes with the tire monitors, front and rear dash cams. The cameras record to the device, and you can upload them to your phone, or you can pull the SD card out. It's actually a pretty cool system. The cameras are better on this device than they are on my new device. I think it's a better picture anyway. And I've used those cameras before. I used them on my last trip for some of the footage. So you never know. I mean, it's good to have the crap. And here's that's the front camera. If you can see, just in between the forks, below the headlights, and then the rear camera is just above the plate there, sitting on just below the top box there. And then the sensors for the tire pressure, I have found those invaluable. I really thought they would be annoying before I put them in, but now they've saved my butt a few times because I was running around on 15, 20 pounds of pressure. But yeah, comes with all this stuff. I would say it's easy to install, but it's not. So I tried to come up with some interesting rules for the contest, and I want it to be a contest. I don't want it to be a random giveaway. I don't want this thing to go to somebody that's just going to put it on Marketplace or eBay. I want to give it to somebody that's going to actually use it. So the rules of the contest, basically I'm looking for a video. I want you to make a video, and you don't even have to show me your face. You could put a bag on your head if you want to, if you're that concerned about privacy. But I want you in the frame, and I want your bike in the frame. If you don't have a motorcycle, I don't want you to have this. So basically all you have to do, pull out your phone, hit record, and record yourself in front of your motorcycle and say, hey, I'm Bagface, or, whatever. If you've got a channel, even better. If you're making videos already, all the better. But basically, I need a couple of elements. I need you and your motorcycle in the frame, and I need you to tell me why you need to get this device. So basically, I'm trying to get somebody to not only give me a little bit of information to find the best person this thing needs to go to. So a good example would be, hey, I'm Don. That's my motorcycle that clearly does not have a GPS device, navigation device on it already. And I want to put this on there because X, Y, and Z. I like to ride my motorcycle to new places, blah, 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 blah. Just be creative. I think that's the main thing. Be creative, be interesting, and appeal to my sense of fairness. Yeah, that's really all you have to do. I would love to have 100 entries. That way I have plenty of people to draw from, but I'm expecting maybe 10 people. And if I get 5 or 6 really good entries, people that actually put some thought and some effort into making their videos, we'll have a runoff. If I can't decide, we'll have a runoff. We'll let everybody on YouTube vote. Somehow, I'm not really sure how to do that, but like I said, I'm expecting 10 entries. I'm expecting 2 or 3 really good ones. I'm hoping for 2 or 3 really good ones. I want it to be hard for me to make a choice, and I would like it to be so hard for me to make a choice of who gets this device. And this is probably worth $200 or $300. I've got a new device that I'm installing this week. That's why I don't want to just put this in the box. I want somebody to enjoy it. It's a good little navigation thing. The only thing wrong with it is I can't adjust the kilometers on the speedometer. No big deal. I've got a speedometer. I don't need that. And what else is it? The only other thing is Oh, it came with a remote that you bolt onto here that's a Bluetooth, and it didn't work consistently, so I just tossed it. But other than that, it's a good working little device. Front and rear cameras. The cameras are pretty decent cameras. I looked at the one I'm installing already, and they're not that great. They're 2K, but the picture's not that good of quality. I don't really care. I think everybody needs. Um, I th- I've been saying for years, everybody needs a dash cam in their vehicle. But if you're putting one in your car or your truck, why not put one on your motorcycle? And yeah, I've got footage from my crash from a dash cam. Couple of things. I think this will be fun, and I think it will be interesting for everybody to see how difficult it is to make a thoughtful and interesting video. How to make something compelling. And that's really what I'm looking for. I'm looking for somebody's compelling story of why. And I don't think it should be that hard. If it was me, I would say, I have been navigating with my phone for the past 5 years, and I'm afraid, well, I've replaced my phone because something's come undone because the phone's rattling like this because it's mounted up here, and I don't like doing that. It's not waterproof, and blah, blah, blah. Here's all the things. There's a ton of reasons why you should want this device. And all I got to do is make a decision. And the more open you are, so if there's 5 people with bags on their head, I'm probably going to choose the 6th guy that doesn't have a bag on his head. I'm just being honest. If you're that concerned with privacy, you might lose out. So I would say be as honest and open as you can about why you want the device and why I need to give it to you. Get your grandkids to film you if you can't figure it out. I just think it's a cool device. I think everybody should have one. And I'm excited to see who actually winds up getting it. I hope at least one person. Maybe that's all that's going to happen. I might just have one person that says, "Yeah, I want to do this." Pulls out their phone. It might be the one guy that sends me a video. So this contest is a whole lot easier than you might imagine. It sounds terrible if you've never published a video before, but it's pretty simple. There's 8 elements. You must have a motorcycle, number 1. You must be a subscriber, number 2. You must have a camera or know someone that has a camera to submit the video, upload it. You and the Moto must be in the frame at the same time. You have to tell me why you should get this device. Upload that video to YouTube, save the link, fill out the form below in the description and add the link, and then wait for the drawing. And the drawing's basically, it's going to be very subjective. And if I can't determine who the winner is, then we'll have a runoff. I'll publish all the links in a video, in a post, something like that, and we'll have a vote. We'll see what everybody else thinks, who the top, whatever the top 5 are going to go in. I don't know. Maybe if there's enough people that submit it, maybe it might be fun to show them all. I don't know. But yeah, you got to be okay with me watching your video and the world. You gotta expose yourself just a little bit. So I encourage you to do this. It's a cool device, and I would definitely enter a contest like this if I didn't have a device already. So anyway, wish you luck. Can't wait to see what you guys come up with, and if you want to see more details, I will put the link to the original review video down below, and it's essentially the same device that I had that I pulled out of the box a year ago. So it's in pretty good shape. It's sturdy, but if you make a good enough video, I might even wipe this damn thing down. So good luck. I can't wait.